This bird does not roll over unless you go like this. Then I just flip you back over. This bird is great.
She's never been hurt.
What's your bird's name?
Micco.
Micco. Micco the trick Amazon. All right. Micco's a cool bird. Cool. Let's say hi to Cowboy. Hi, Cowboy. How are you, buddy?
Yeah, well,
What's up? Talk to me.
I trimmed myself, but
Hello?
Hi, Cowboy. Here's the tricks.
No, the nail
What you do?
actually, I that's the
There's Angel doing a little training. Hi, Angel. How are you? You being a good girl? Oh, yes. And how about you, Cowboy? What, Angel? Talk to me. Hello, Cowboy.
I have someone to help me. When you have a bunch of birds, it starts getting expensive.
Oh, yeah. Well, actually, yeah, exactly. Discount food, supplies, and all that stuff. I think you can charge as much as 8 or 15, but they have some nails and things.
What? Jump, jump.
Now what we used a couple weeks ago is I have a Dremel.
Angel, be nice. What's that?